Hi, my name is Michelle, and I work for the Corporate Parkway branch of the St. Charles City County Library. What I'll be showing you today is how to make these napkin folds. With the holidays just around the corner, this is that extra touch you can add to your table setting. So come along with me as we learn how to make them. This fold is simple and elegant to do. On my napkin, I have a pattern, and I want this pattern to show when I'm done with the fold. So what I'm going to do is have my napkin face up with the pattern side up. I don't want the back side where you can't see it. I'm going to take my two corners and fold it over. And then I'm going to fold it under. Take the top flap, fold that down, and there you see the pattern showing. Flip the whole thing over. Fold it so I have a cone shape at the bottom here. Fold this side over to have it aligned with the side. Flip my napkin over. Make any last minute adjustments if you need to. And there you have it. Simple yet elegant. This next fold is fun because it's going to create a little pocket for your flatware from here. Let's go ahead, fold it in half. I'm going to rotate it around so the open edge is facing me. Then I'll fold it in half again, so I have a square. And then with my corner in the upper left-hand side, I'm simply going to fold down the top layer. Flip the whole thing over. I'm going to fold this up about a third of the way. I'll take the other side and fold that down, the other third. I'm going to take this corner and tuck it into here where this fold is. Just folds it a little bit securely. Flip it over. And then place my flatware into the nice fold that I have. And there you have it. So let's take that flatware fold one step further. Take your two corners and bring those over. Then take this and fold it up. So at this point, you should have your open corners in your upper right-hand side. Take the top layer and fold it completely in half. So this corner all the way down to the far corner. Take the next layer and fold that. And as you're folding it, tuck it underneath that first fold. Now you want this only to be no more than an inch. So now I have two layers, and do it a third time. So as you can see, I have a total of 3 folds. I'm then going to flip it over, fold this about to the halfway point, and then take the other side and do the same, about the halfway point. Flip it all over, and then add your flatware. And there's a variation on the first flatware fold that we did. And as the saying goes, the third time's a charm. So we're going to do one more fold for your flatware. Go ahead and fold it in half. Fold it in half a second time. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my fold and bring that down like so. Take my second fold And I'm not going to tuck it this time. I'm going to lay it on the top, and then the same thing for the third. And the big thing here is just have your spacing sort of equal. Flip it all over. I'm going to go from point to point, but about to the halfway mark. So, like so. And then like that. Turn it over. Make any last minute adjustments you might want to make. Take your flatware and slide it in. And there you have a third option for a full flatware fold. Let's try something different this time. So what we're going to do, this time have your points facing you. You're going to go from the bottom to the top to make a triangle. Then you're going to take one corner, bring it to the top. Do the same thing on the other side. Turn the whole thing over. And then just fold it into a triangle again. And simply fold it in half so you have this opening. So the last fold I'm going to show you today is called a Lotus fold. You're going to take each of your corners and fold them into the center. Napkin folding is a lot like origami. With all four corners folded into the center, you're going to flip the whole thing over. And you're going to repeat the same thing. You're going to take your corners and fold them to the center. With that done a second time, the next thing you'll do is you're going to pull the corner out. And you'll do that on all four corners. And there you have your lotus flower. So let's take one last look at each of the folds we did. Here's our first one, the cone fold. Next we have, this was the first flatware fold that we did. Simple but elegant. The second flatware fold that we did had the 3 tiers. And here was the third option that we did for a flatware fold, where all 3 pieces tuck in and you have this nice line going down the center. After that, we did the triangle fold. And let me show you that from different angles. And the last fold that we did was the lotus fold. Thank you for joining me for some napkin folding basics, and I hope you have a wonderful day.